me as I share my connection to Shabbat and this week's Torah portion, Vayigash. Hi Simchat Torah Challenge friends, my name is Batya and you might also know me as Jewish Filipini, a Filipina who moved to Israel to convert to Orthodox Judaism. I started with no Jewish community, no sponsoring rabbis, no enough savings, but with full imuna and betachon that Hashem is going to guide me. I have a deep spiritual connection to Israel, specifically at the Kotel, hosting people, getting ready, making sure that the house is set for Shabbat. From grocery shopping, cleaning, cooking, lighting Shabbos candle, getting ready for the shul, all these small moments miss simcha and always makes me look forward for every Shabbat. In this week's Parsha, we witness one of the most emotional, vulnerable, and most powerful reunions in the Torah. After years of separation, Yosef finally reveals his identity to his brothers. Ani Yosef, is my father still alive? It's a moment of truth, reckoning, and connection. Yehuda steps forward, offering himself for Benjamin's safety. A complete transformation from a brother who once sold Yosef into slavery. This teaches us that healing begins when we bring our full selves, our hopes, our regrets, our mistakes into the room. But there's a deeper message. Yosef didn't say, "You did this all to me." Instead, he said, "Hashem orchestrates everything." That change of perspective, seeing pain as being part of greater divine plan, is profoundly powerful. Previous Parsha will learn that Yosef was thrown into the pit, sold as slave, imprisoned for 12 years, becoming second in command to Pharaoh. This Sidra, he's going to save his entire family from famine. This Parsha Vayigash teaches us that Hashem orchestrates everything, but not just that. What Hashem does is for good. Now, let me ask you, how much do you trust Hashem? Looking back, my entire Giyur journey was my most vulnerable and weakest chapter of my life. And now it's replaced with simcha, kavod, belongingness. Now I understand. I understand because it's Hashem. Everything came from Hashem. I am challenging Mystery of Jerusalem, Legally Jewish, and Ashir Solomon to share this reel and add their insights and inspiration from this week's Parsha. And don't forget to join Simchat Torah Challenge for more weekly Parsha inspiration. Shabbat Shalom.